Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the slow motion effect on CapCut PC. I'm just going to use this video. So I'm just going to use this part of the clip. So go to the speed section of your CapCut PC. And then you are going to basically turn it to the left. And then you're going to enable smooth slow motion here. So under frame blending, you're going to select optical flow to make it a little bit more smooth. And that's pretty much how you can create a slow motion effect on CapCut PC. You can adjust the speed here, of course, but I'm just going to go with 0.6x speed. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.